Hey, welcome back to your channel. Hope y'all having a good day or a good night wherever y'all tuning in to this video. I just hope y'all doing well. And today we're gonna be replacing our chain roller for the Raptor 700R. It's been past overdue. I had the machine almost 4 years, going on 4 years, and I'm just not replacing it. As you can see, I got the TM designworks, a lot of good reviews on it, and I just had a lot of noise coming from the machine as I'm driving it. And if you pay, well, you get later in the video, I actually can spin it, so it's really not even touching it barely. But actually, I'm gonna jack it up so y'all can see it before and after, as far as like the chain noise. So with that being said, let's get straight into it. Okay, so we got the folder jacked up, and you see I got a little bit of room. Don't want to jack it up too high. It's my first time actually jacking this up, so I hope it don't fall. Got the parking brake on. But what I'm gonna try to do, I'm gonna try to have the camera down off in there, and hopefully you can hear it with the mic, and hopefully you'll be able to see the roller. So yeah. Okay, so now we're finna get ready to take out the stock roller. Right now, we're using a 12mm head socket with I believe this is a 3/8 wrench, because it's so small, you barely have any room to work with, so best to come with a small ratchet. And the original plan was for me to go, well, put the camera behind here and do it, but with the skid plate on the 700Rs, unless you take it off, you kind of get in the way a little bit, so you won't be able to see it. So what I'm gonna do is just leave the camera right here. So you can see you got the wrench right there. And what I'm gonna do is just basically go like this right here. Kind of go like that right there. And grab it. And kind of use my fingers to kind of just go up and down like that right there until it gets loose. Right now it's pretty loose, so maybe I can go in there with my fingers. Okay, and man, this right here took so long to get out. I'm talking, man, probably close to 15 minutes. Like, be prepared, because I sure wasn't. But, so we got this right out. I'm kind of doing a little side-by-side comparison to this one. And it took me so long, this right here fell on the floor, or ground, whatever you want to call it. So this right here is that spins a lot smoother, not gonna lie. All right, so this right here is just gonna be a quick comparison. Like I said, take this off, be prepared, gonna take a long time. The only way I can see it being easier if you take the chain off, but that's about the only way I can see it. But this is a comparison. As you can see, the bolts are pretty much the same size as far as like the thread, but the head of it is different size. For this right here, I believe you're gonna be using a 10, not believe, I know, I just did it, but you're gonna use a 10 for this. As you can see, both washers are different sizes, where it seems like it's smaller. But this right here, what I believe, like I said, I didn't see this right here at first, I'm not sure. But you can see that right there. You can see I can just wiggle it. This right here is like free spinning. So right there probably make it noise by itself. And this right here actually got like a little bearing in there. So this right here fits in there and kind of spin, oh shoot. Yeah, this right here got like a bearing in there, so it really not just free spin, like this right here just all loose in there. So this right here gonna be a lot better. And this right here around the edge is, around that edge right there, that right here, I believe gonna add a little bit more tension to the chain, so that definitely should start making, you know, less noise. So let's go ahead and do another 15 minutes, and hopefully it's shorter than that. So all right, so it should look like this right here. Got the washer on the top on both sides, and it should go in screen like that. So this is what I'm gonna try to do. I'm gonna have it already on the wrench. I'm just kind of try to ease on in there like that and just kind of start twisting. Okay, so I lied. That right there didn't work. I just kind of pinched off in there and kind of just hand twisted. But once you get it going, then you can come in with the ratchet and be a lot faster. Man, I'm tired. Okay, we got it pretty good with the hand tank, so now we're gonna come with the 10mm wrench, same socket. Okay, so we got that in there. Torqued it down pretty good because I figured it's sliding when the chain moving, so I don't want it to untwist, even though I believe it's going the opposite direction, so it shouldn't twist, should be tight. But I don't know. But I tightened it down pretty good because I had to break well, not break it as in literal, but you know, tug it pretty good to get the stock one off. So I imagine it probably be on there pretty tight anyway. Okay, so as you can see that it definitely making contact, and cause my chain actually pretty dirty, the next thing I'm definitely gonna do is clean the chain. But I took it for a test ride down the road, and I definitely noticed it was a little bit quiet. Like I said, it is a chain. I might need to tighten a little bit, but chain probably gonna make some type of noise. But I did notice that it was a little bit quieter. So for the most part, like I said, it wasn't making no contact with the stock one, so it wore down so bad. So definitely need to upgrade it. But yeah, if you found the video helpful, you stay all the way to the end, you might well consider subscribing, liking the video, commenting. And yeah, and fun fact, I actually had that right there for 4 years, this case. I don't know if I said it already or not, but y'all take it easy, y'all be safe.